Hello students of class 7. This is page number 124. Our next topic is cyclone. So as given in your book in first paragraph, the definition of cyclone is: a cyclone is a huge revolving storm caused by very high speed winds blowing around a central area of very low pressure in the atmosphere. A cyclone is formed over warm seawater and it is about 10 to 50 kilometers high. It means what is cyclone? So cyclone is a very high speed wind. It is a form of wind around a center which is occurred due to very low pressure in the atmosphere, and the height of the cyclone is about 10 to 50 kilometer up from the its level. The central of cyclone is called eye of the cyclone. The center of the cyclone, what is called eye of the cyclone. Eye means its center position through which it can move from one point to another point. Here is given about cyclone which moved from 150 kilometer in size. Okay, speed is 150 kilometer per hour to 250 kilometer per hour. So speed of cyclone is very high. It means 150 kilometer per hour to 250 kilometer hour, around with thunder clouds and heavy rain. Okay, and cyclone is commonly known as bavander in our Hindi language, or we can call it chakravat. Okay, now next topic is how a cyclone is formed. How a cyclone is formed. So in this figure you can see that there is formation of cyclone in which center, this is center position, or we can say that central area of the cyclone, and cyclone revolves around a fixed axis and moves at a speed of 250 km per hour, and the height of the cyclone from the sea level is 115 kilometer high, 10 to 15 kilometer high from its surface. After that, there is a topic how cyclone is formed. It means how cyclone is occurred in our atmosphere. So here are some topics which told you us that how cyclone is formed. So formation of cyclone is a natural phenomena. So natural object helps in the formation of cyclone. The first is that the sun hits the seawater too much during summer. Warm and moist air rises up very rapid from hot sea surface. This creates a very low pressure, causing cool air to rush into the fill in the vacuum space. Here given that first topic, that sun hits the seawater too much during summer. Okay, warm and moist air rises up very large from the hot sea surface. This creates area of very low pressure, causing cool air to rush into fill in the vacuum space. Second, as the warm and moist air rises high up in the atmosphere, gets cooled, and the water vapor present in it condense to form thick clouds, which are releasing a lot of heat in the atmosphere. According to this topic, as the warm and moist air rises high in the atmosphere and also gets cooled and convert into the water vapor form, and then it releases in our atmosphere in the form of heat. Okay. Third topic is the heat released by the condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere. This warm air rises higher into the atmosphere, causing a low pressure. According to this topic, when the hot air rises in our atmosphere, it causes low pressure. This process is repeated again and again, making more and more air to rise up higher and higher in the atmosphere, and also forming more and more thick clouds all around. According to this process, formation of heat, the formation of clouds occur in our atmosphere, which is very warm. We can say it is very heat, and leads to formation of clouds. Here is a figure which you can see formation of cyclone. Okay, here given cool dense air goes down, thick clouds gather towards the region, and spiraling air winds move upside of the cyclone. Thick clouds region with high speed winds, low pressure, center of calm, or we can say I. Thick cloud region with high speed winds. So here next topic, the constant rotation of earth on its air axis exert a force on the rapidly rising columns of air. The force exerted by the rotation of the earth makes the high speed winds revolve in the form of a spiral moving upwards with a great force and create a tunnel of very low pressure inside. So this is the formation of tunnel in which the air moves upwards and creates high pressure, okay, which leads to formation of winds in very high speed, okay, which change the condition of our weather. So read these four topics of how cyclone is formed, okay, and draw this figure on your copy. Draw this figure on your copy as a homework of today.